I am really happy with these cat food bowls that I got from YEAHGO. They are ceramic and they come in a 4-pack. They're really cute. Two of the bowls have a little paw print on them, and then two of the dishes have a fish. And it also comes with a pack of little spring toys for your kitties. I really like that these bowls are shallow and wide, and they also have a non-skid, a non-slit base, and that makes it perfect for feeding your cats or kittens and not having their whiskers in the way and making it more difficult for them to eat and drink. My kittens love to eat their food and drink water out of these bowls, and they do it with no problem. And the bowls are not sliding around or doing anything like that. They're really simple to clean. And after they're done, I just wash them up with soap and water, dry them off, and be ready to use them again. So, if you are looking for some high quality cat food dishes that are whisker friendly, I would recommend these ones by YEAHGO 100%.